Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw a yummy ice cream with me using markers? Let's go! I'm going to start by using my black marker and drawing the outline of the ice cream cone. And here is the first layer of ice cream. It's melting a little bit too. Now for the second layer. And the third layer, this one looks like the biggest layer of all. What do you think this might be on the top of the ice cream? Now I am using my black marker to put some yummy sprinkles on the top layer. Here I am giving some texture to the ice cream cone by drawing in different lines. And that's the outline done. Now for coloring in. I am going to start by coloring in the ice cream cone. I am using a brown color. Now for coloring in the ice cream layers. What flavors do you think we should make the ice cream layers? I will start with the last layer here on the bottom, and I will use a pink color. Which flavor do you think this is? That's right, it's strawberry. And now for the middle layer. I am using an orange color. Which flavor do you think this is? That's right, it's orange. And now for the top layer, the biggest one. I am going to color this in blue. What flavor is blue ice cream? That's right, it's bubblegum flavor. And now for the surprise on top. I am using a red color. What did you guess this was? That's right, it's the cherry on top. Now for the top of the ice cream cone, I am using a brown color. And onto all the fun sprinkles. I am using orange, yellow, and green colors. Make sure to subscribe and get in touch to let me know what drawings you would like to see me do. Check out my baby and the bottle video too. See you again soon.